Feels good to be home after a long day of work. Even though work is nothing but a pain in the butt, it still feels good to finally be home. And also I get money too. Yeah. Wait a minute. What's that? It sounds like a snowstorm. I gotta check the weather. Yep, we're definitely getting hit by a snowstorm. Although, can't possibly be that bad. I mean, we're probably only gonna get like 2 to 3 inches of snow. I mean, sure, we have a decent amount of snow outside right now, but it's probably not gonna be that bad. Only like 2 to 3 inches. Well, I'm getting tired. Might as well head to bed. Man, that was a nice sleep. Yeah. Oh, yeah, what's up, SpongeBob?
Oh, nothing, Mario. I was just looking at all the snow we got.
Really? We couldn't have gotten that much snow. Let me take a look. Alright, let me... Oh! My God, I underestimated. My God. What am I gonna do?
Yeah, but isn't it beautiful, Mario?
No, it's not, SpongeBob. It's because whenever something happens like this, I always get nominated to shovel the driveway.
Well, it can't be that bad.
Oh, trust me. I've been doing this for years. It really is bad. Look, you've only been around here for like a few weeks ever since the camera guy brought you back from Universal Studios. Fourth wall break, I did.
Well, I'll help. I'll try to help you.
Help? Well, I guess I could use an extra set of hands. What could possibly go wrong? Alright, SpongeBob. Are you ready to shovel the driveway?
Yeah, Mario, but Mario, how do I exactly shovel the driveway?
You just shovel out all the snow.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Alright, I'll come back in like about 15 minutes when to see how you done. Man, Beavis and Butthead is still one of the funniest shows to this day. Well, it has been like 15 or 16 minutes. Better check how SpongeBob's doing.
That was a pain in the butt to do.
Oh, hey, SpongeBob. How'd it go?
Oh, it went really good, Mario.
Oh, really? Can I see?
Oh, sure. Let me show you. See, Mario? Check how I did.
Okay, well, what? You barely shoveled any.
Well, that's because the snow kept falling down.
Okay, but what about the steps? You didn't shovel off any of the steps.
You didn't say anything about the steps, Mario. You just said to shovel the driveway.
Well, I did just say to shovel the driveway. I'll let you get away with that, but where'd you put the shovel? Where'd you put the shovel, SpongeBob?
In the garage.
In the garage? Okay.
Oh, God, I'm in so much trouble. What am I gonna do?
I just checked. It's not in the garage. Where'd you put the shovel, SpongeBob?
Oh, did I say in the garage? I meant in the snow.
In the snow? What? I can see the green right there. That's the shovel. My God. Why did you do that, SpongeBob?
Well, I couldn't open the garage door because then the garage would get cold.
Fine, I'll just go get it myself, okay?
All right, Mario. Well, I don't think you can shovel the driveway anyhow because the snow keeps piling down.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess we'll just have to wait until tomorrow.
All right.
Well, SpongeBob, we're not going to be able to shovel out the driveway since the snow keeps piling up.
Yeah, you said it, Mario.
Although, SpongeBob, we're having a movie night tonight. You want to pick out the movie?
Sure, yeah.
All right, go to the DVD boxes. Go to the DVD set. We have some... I'm pretty sure there's a movie you would like.
Okay. All right, let's see what we've got. There's like Jurassic Park. No, not really for me. There's Elf. I like Elf. Yeah, but it's not Christmas time. And what's this one? What's this yellow one? This is my movie. The best one ever. I think I found the movie I want. Well, time to pop this into the DVD player. We are watching this tonight.